Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube channel Agriculture and GK. Myself Shreya Mandal and today I am going to discuss Tamil Nadu PSC Assistant Horticulture Officer previous year solved question paper. Before jumping into the video, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe to this channel and to get the notification every time this channel uploads a video, tap the notification bell icon. So let's get started. Today we will start these questions. The question asks the first chemical used as herbicides. So the answer will be 2,4-D. We all know 2,4-D kind of synthetic auxin and we use as a herbicide to kill the weed. Those are not desired in the main crop cultivation. So the next question is the herbicides used for potato are. For potato cultivation, the herbicide we generally use is flucloraline. So the next question is an example for pre-emergence herbicide. This question asks about what is the type of the or which is the herbicide that is pre-emergence, that is in nature, that in nature will be pre-emergence emergence of the main crop. So we use blue butachlor as a pre-emergence herbicide. Let's move to the next question. The next question is soils having the structure warm up more quickly. So what will be the soil type? The soil will be spheroidal. Spheroidal soils structures, the soils having the spheroidal structure warm up more quickly. The next question is bulk density soil is more structured soil. So it asks about the bulk density of soil. It is containing which part of or which structured soil. The answer will be platy-like soil structure. It is found more or predominant in bulk density soil. Bulk density of the soil. The next question is the arrangement of soil particles is. What is it? It is called the arrangement of soil particle. So the answer will be soil structure. The next question is the government of India declared fertilizers as an essential commodity. So on which date it was announced, it was declared? The answer will be March 29, 1957. So after the independence, government of India on March 29 in the year 1957 declared fertilizer as an essential commodity. The sorting of the unlike lots of the produce into different lots according to quality specifications laid down is termed as. So the question asks the sorting of unlike lots of the produce in different lots according to quality specifications. So quality specifications, the sorting, the answer will be grading. And this question is in two medium language, English and both also the regional language. So next question is a particular procedure used by the seller to achieve a marketing goal is referred to as. The question asks, the answer will be marketing strategy. Marketing strategy, it is the particular procedure used by the seller. Seller uses the marketing strategy to achieve its marketing goal. Next question is the program of the total farm activities drawn up in advance is known as. So what will be the answer? The answer will be farm plan. Farm plan is the program of the total farm activities, that is a program for a particular season or financial year drawn up in advance to get highest amount of goals or highest amount of profits. Next question, the objective in planning the allocation of resources is to the question is whether the objective is to maximize the profit or minimize or optimize or stabilize. So the answer is very easy. The answer will be maximize. The first and foremost criteria or the objective for preparing a farm plan to get maximum number of profit. The next question is the factor product relationship answers which of the following questions. So from this factor and product relationship we can draw how much to produce. We can correlate the interrelationship between the factor and product, and thus we can conclude how much to produce in the during the manufacturing. The next question, farm management is called the science of farm management is the science of decision making. Next question is SMCR model. It was proposed by Barlow. So if you know the answer, you can click the answer. You can correctly get the number. Otherwise, you can't get this number. So don't go for assumptions and don't go for negative marking. Next question is noise related to which of the following element of communication. So noise, it is related to channel. Next question is important element of diffusion. In the diffusion, important element is considered as innovations. In adoption, individual applies new ideas on small scale to determine the suitability in his situation. And this stage of adoption is a trial stage. In the adoption, when the individual those have applies some new ideas on the small scale to determine whether the plan, the idea that has been taken, is it profitable or it is anyone can execute in practical, what is the practicality. So to determine the suitability in this situation, this stage is considered as a trial stage. Moisture content of the mushroom is 85 to 90%. This is also direct question. If you know the answer, you can get the mark directly. So 85 to 90% will be the correct answer if this question asks about the moisture content of the mushroom. General question it is. So next, Trichoma giganteum is A. So this is asked about the mushroom type or mushroom variety. So this mushroom, the scientific name, it is milky mushroom. The first oyster mushroom variety released by TNU, Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, and this university released the first time the oyster mushroom variety, and that is Coimbatore 1. CO1, it stands for Coimbatore 1. Next question is, for every 25 rows of cabbage, 2 rows of raised as trap crop to manage diamondback moth. The answer will be mustard. For every 25 rows of cabbage, 2 rows of mustard raised as a trap crop to manage the diamondback moth. Next question, National Institute for Plant Health Management is situated at. So it is also direct question and the answer will be Hyderabad. It is very simple question. Where is the National Institute for Plant Health Management is situated? It is at Hyderabad. And also regarding this question, I will suggest that also prepare a chart for the directorate, all the NRCs, because the questions also sometimes come frequently. The question asks from these types of. Next question is, microorganisms used in the biological control of plant disease are referred as. So it is also a basic definition question. Microorganisms used in the biological control of the plant disease, and those are called the antagonist. Next is application of fertilizer before or at the time of sowing is known as. So what is this? What will be the answer? That application of fertilizer before at the time of sowing. So it will be basal application at the seedling stage. The seedlings has just emerged. So top dressing is not possible. Top dressing when the seedlings grow to some height. So it will be the basal application during the showing, at the time of showing, or before the showing time. Next is breed of buffalo with tightly curved horn is Murrah. Murrah, it is a breed of buffalo and it has the tightly curved horn among these others varieties. Next is a breed of cattle with black and white color pattern, and it is Holstein Friesian. It is a name, the breed, it is a breed type name, and this breed possesses black and white color is characteristic. Black and white we can distinguish this breed of cattle, and it is a Holstein Friesian. So next is heifer is a term used to denote, and it is denote cattle not yet calved. So heifer is a term used to denote the cattle not yet calved. Next is silent heat is more common in dash livestock. So in among which livestock, in the following livestock like cattle, sheep, goat, buffalo, silent heat it is more common in buffalo. Next is during milk fever, the body temperature of cow will be subnormal, normal, increased and fluctuating. So during when any cow is infected or if he grows a milk fever type of symptoms, the body temperature will be subnormal. Next question is average fat percentage of India buffalo milk is. Indian buffalo milk, in generally Indian buffalo milk, the average fat percentage it will be around 8%. So it is high percentage, high fat percentage. Dairy animals are vaccinated in a year against foot and mouth disease. It is very serious disease, and it causes very severe damage. So cattle are vaccinated, and it is twice in a year to as a preventive measures, so that foot and mouth disease doesn't occur, does not damage. Next is which plant nutrients are highly immobile in plants. So in this among the following options, the correct answer it will be calcium and boron. The answer will be calcium and boron. Boron, capital B, will stand for boron. So calcium boron will be is highly immobile in plants. Brine solution is A. So brine solution, the question asks about the concentrated salt solution of sugar or acid or vinegar solution. It is very tricky question. Every time we just use brine solution in the management practices against any disease or against any pest infestation. So we have to know what is the brine solution. It is the correct answer will be concentrated salt solution. Which vessels should not used for preparation of products like chutneys using vinegar? So the so it is not suggested to use the copper vessels for the preparation of products like chutneys using the vinegars. Next question is which is used as chemical components for peeling. For peeling, the chemical component we generally used is caustic soda or NaOH, sodium hydroxide, for peeling. The next question is which is the rapid removal of field heat from the freshly harvested fruits and vegetables. So we harvest the fruits or vegetables, and at the field immediately after harvesting to we can follow the pre-cooling strategy to remove the field heat rapidly, and so the correct answer will be pre-cooling. Which of the fruit part of the nutmeg is used for processing? So it is also a direct question. So we use the maize. The fruit part of nutmeg used for processing, we use the maize of the nutmeg. So next question is example for a fungal nematode complex disease in flower crops. So the answer will be Crossandra wilt. So Crossandra wilt, it is an example for a fungal nematode complex disease in flower crops. Next question is the insect pest of citrus where only the adults are damaging stage. So among the following pest, which insect pest is causes the damage, and the damaging stage is the adult? So the answer will be citrus fruit sucking moth. And you will be surprised or overwhelmed, because previously I just uploaded videos on the fruits. So in that question session I have discussed this question. This direct question has come from that part. So if you were interested, you can visit others agriculture entomology playlist there is in this channel. You can visit those lectures. Next question is, grubs feeds on roots and nocturnal adults feed on tender leaves and buds, resulting in short holes in grapes is. So it has clearly give the symptoms, the key symptoms what we can see after the infestation of that particular pest in grapes. So now they have asked, let's answer the question, what is caused by the pest. So the causal pest will be grapevine flea beetle. So it feeds on the roots, and the nocturnal adults of the grapevine flea beetle feed on the tender leaves and buds, and resulting on the grapes and the epidermis layer, so there will be short holes. Next question is, vector for tomato leaf curl virus. So these types all questions I have discussed on that video. So I will request you just visit once the lecture video. I'm definitely sure it will help you during your preparation. So vector for tomato leaf curl virus is white flies. White flies, you know the scientific name. Bemisia tabaci. So next, anticoagulant rodenticide. So now they have asked that among the following options, which will be the anticoagulant rodenticide. So to kill the rodents also act as we can categorize rodents as storage grain pest. So the answer will be bromodiolone. Next is the effective nematicide and insecticide belongs to carbamate group. So the answer will be carbofuran. Among monocrotophos, carbofuran, cypermethrin, DDT, these names are very much popular. So during your UG, you have heard frequently these names. So you have to correctly eliminate the other options and choose the correct answer. So the answer will be carbofuran is effective nematicide and insecticides, and that belongs to the carbamate group. The next question is, arrange the following nematodes. Arrange the following nematodes in the order of sequence of implementation in IDM. So the options are mechanical method, chemical method, cultural method, biological method. So now you have to the order of sequences. This is very tricky question. You know all these things, but now you have to arrange the order of sequence and choose the correct answer. So the answer will be B. B, that is 3 1 2 4, means 3. First of all, cultural method, then mechanical method. If that also fails to to minimize the disease or the pestal cost, so then you go for chemical method, that is used of any pesticides or any other deterrent or the attractant to get into the flies or the beetles in the trap and kill by that time. And last and also biological method, like uses of any parasitoids, larval, either egg parasitoid. You can also use any natural predators, natural enemies as a biocontrol agent. These things comes under the biological method. So I have also discussed these things in this like crop pest management series. You can also visit those videos, you can also refer those videos. Next is a symptom of fungal disease of horticulture crops. Among these symptoms, the horticulture crops will be anthracnose. So anthracnose is a symptom of fungal disease and horticulture crops. So among these, the anthracnose is due to fungus. Directorate of Mushroom Research is located at Solan. This is that I discussed that you have to prepare one chart for the directorate, all the NRCs. So these are the genres of solving this type of previous questions. You just get an idea, the what are the most important genre or the aspects or how the questions are framed. You get those ideas, you read it, and you can solve it. So you can prepare yourself at the best way to get selected in these prestigious jobs. The director of mushroom research is located at Solan. Next question is soil application of Trichoderma viridi effectively controls tomato. So among this the answer will be fusarial wilt, Trichoderma viridi. So just now I discussed that parasitoid. So Trichoderma viridi is also is one type of parasitoid, larva parasitoid, and soil application of this, it is used effectively controls the fusarium wilt in tomato. Iris famine. Iris famine it is due to late blight of potato. Iris famine, it was happened in 1845. It was a disheartening incident. It was famine. So many people starved, and it was due to the late blight of potato. So it signifies the importance of agriculture in our daily life. Tissue culture banana plants are used to manage disease. So this is the bunchit of disease of banana, and tissue culturing, it will help to, or it will curb the severity of this disease. Tamarind belong to the family. So it is also direct question. Tamarind belongs to the family Caesalpinaceae. So it is also direct question. The next question is improved variety in tamarind released from TNU. So again, the question come from Tamil Nadu Agriculture University. It is very prestigious university. It has hold great position in Indian agriculture history. So TNU released the variety of tamarind first improved variety. It was PKM1. Curry leaf belongs to the family. Curry leaf is very much popular in the diet of South Indian, across Indian cuisines, or also in type of foods. The curry leaf is belongs to Rutaceae family. Manganese chelates contain less percentage manganese. So manganese chelate, so it contains 12% of manganese. Next is coffee. It is native of Ethiopia. So coffee is native of Ethiopia. Next question is coffee belongs to the family of Rubiaceae family. So we are seeing that from the coffee part we are getting two question. So next question is the leaves of aloe vera has to be processed within how many hours of harvest? So it has to be processed within 36 hours of harvest, the leaves of aloe vera, to maintain the integrity or the quality of the aloe vera leaves. What is the botanical name of Kalmeg? And the answer will be Andrographis paniculata. Kalmeg's the botanical name is. Household medicine aloe is prepared from which medicinal plant? It is the kalmeg. The household medicine aloe, it is a medicinal plant, and this medicinal plant we use, it is the kalmeg. Next is sanitary pruning is done in the crop cocoa. So sanitary pruning it is done in the crop cocoa. Choose the sweet basil variety. Choose the sweet basil varieties. Vikar Shudha. Vikar Shudha is a sweet basil variety. A 3-year-old plants of lemongrass will give an oil yield of per kg hectare 200 to 300 kg per hectare. A 3-year-old lemongrass. So oil will be 200 to 300 kg per hectare, which is called natural depression garden. So it is a sunken garden. Which component is called as garden adornments? So answer will be statues. Statues are the components, and it is called as the garden adornments. What are the flower colors called as primary colors in the garden? So the primary colors in the garden is blue, yellow, and red. It is very interesting questions. So the three primary colors in the garden is blue, yellow, and red. And for you guys, I'm giving you one task. The task is very interesting. That if you don't know why the sunken garden is called as National Depression Garden, you just comment the answer if you know in the comment section. Okay, so next question is, for anthurium cultivation, the most popular media used is coco peat. Anthurium cultivation, most popular media is coco peat. Trimming of plants to shapes of animals, birds, seeds, etc. is called topiary. So topiary, what is topiary? Topiary, that we trim the plants to give shapes of animals or birds or seeds. So the whole process and this exercise is called as topiary. The grass used for making lawn in shady situation are and require frequent watering. The question is, the grass used for making lawn in shady situation and require frequent watering is buffalo grass. So buffalo grass, we generally if we use this buffalo grass to make the lawn, and so we have to keep this under the shade condition and we have to water it frequently. How much flower yield can be obtained from 1 hectare of peachy? So the answer will be 11,000 kg. 11,000 kg is the answer. How long Gundumalli flowers remain fresh when treated with sucrose, boric acid, copper sulfate, and AiNO3 silver nitrate? So the answer will be 72 hours. How long Gundumalli flowers remain fresh? So it will be 72 hours, means 3 days. We can keep the flowers fresh using sucrose, boric acid, copper sulfate, silver nitrate. So why? So we all know silver nitrate, all these things. Silver nitrate is it is an inhibitor of ethylene. So ethylene that causes the senescence or the flowers. So you have to keep we have to minimize the senescence things in the flowers, in the cut flowers. So to do that, we use silver nitrate and sucrose, boric acid. It has also some kind of mechanism. It has osmoprotectant this type. So now the question is, which of the following is not a botanical insecticide? It is Neris toxin. Neris toxin is not a botanical insecticide. What is the plant growth regulation recommend as corm dipping in tuberose? So for tuberose, as a corm dipping, the plant growth regulation is CCC, means cyclocel. So it is also we use this cyclocel for many years in the as a plant growth regulator in tuberose. So also you have another task that mention the actual mechanism or the function of CCC. Why we are using this cyclocel? So next question is Sonia 17, Sonia 28, Emma White. These are the popular variety in Dendrobium orchid. So these are popular variety, we all know. So and these are the popular variety of Dendrobium orchid. Calyx splitting disorder in carnation is due to, so and it is due to the boron deficiency. The calyx splitting disorder sometimes we found in the carnation, it is due to the boron deficiency. The good quality sucker which has pointed tip and narrow shaped leaves is, so the answer will be short sucker. It has explained the characteristics of the particular type or specific type of sucker: rhizome, short sucker, water sucker, and daughter sucker. So getting this idea, we can choose the correct answer, and the answer will be short sucker. And the good quality of the sucker that has pointed tip and the shape leaves is narrow. Next question is, write the origin of tomato. So tomato origin will be Peru. Botanical name of tomato, Lycopersicon esculentum. It is a very easy question. So but you have to keep your energy as a stable level, because sometimes getting all this your known questions, sometimes you do some hurry, and in the hustle you put some negative questions, or you can put the and that thus you can get the negative marking, or you can fail the question for few points. So thus you have to be, you have to keep your nerve strong. Even if you get the questions very rightly, you have to keep your patience, and choose the right answers, and you have to click the answers rightly. So next, the grade specified by Bureau of Indian Standards, that is BIS, in tomato is fancy. So BIS, so grade specified BS in tomato is fancy. Seed rate for tomato hybrid in 1 hectare is 100 to 150 gram per hectare. Next question is, seed rate for hybrid bhendi in a hectare is 2.5 kg per hectare. You have to mug up these things. The questions frequently came and you have to answer. So that's why you have to prepare the chart and you have to revise again and again. The next question is, which is the virus disease of bhendi? And it is very popular question, and the answer will be yellow vein mosaic. Yellow vein mosaic is the viral disease of bhendi. Next is, papaya fruits are rich in vitamin A. The next question is, Kufri Jyoti. Kufri Jyoti, it is a variety of potato. Kufri Jyoti is also another popular name. So among the cabbage, cauliflower, radish, we can easily get the correct answer, and the answer will be potato. Guava belongs to the family of, so these options are given: Anacardiaceae, Rutaceae, Vitaceae, Myrtaceae, and the guava belongs to the family of Myrtaceae. The next question is, which chemical is used to increase femaleness in dioecious type of papaya? So to increase the femaleness, we use SADH, and the concentration will be 250 parts per million. To increase the femaleness is dioecious type of papaya. Next, the question is, spongy tissue is a physiological disorder in which crop? So spongy tissue is a physiological disorder in mango. The next question is, what is the root stock in palm fruits if there is excess boron in soil? So if this is also very difficult, if the boron concentration of borons, if we found availability of boron is in excess amount in soil, then also it will be difficult to cultivate, and in that situation palm fruits rootstock is myrobalan plum. This rootstock is good in this condition. Next, deciduous fruit trees enter into rest period during which season? Deciduous fruit trees, we know it falls or it shades the leaves. Those plants are as named as deciduous fruit trees, is a scientific name, means scientific term. So the rest period will be winter season. In the winter season, it shades the excess leaves. Choose the correct statement. So the statements are: subtropical and tropical fruit crops are evergreen in nature. Subtropical fruit crops are deciduous nature. Tropical fruits are deciduous in nature. Arid region fruit crops are deciduous in nature. So among the four sentences, we can easily opt out that subtropical fruit crops are deciduous nature. It is just impossible, and tropical also deciduous. This climatic plants or fruits could be deciduous nature, but not the subtropical or tropical. So next is arid region fruit crops are deciduous in nature. It is also not possible. So directly the first question, giving the hints, the answer will be subtropical and tropical fruits are evergreen in nature, because here the answer is subtropical, tropical, or evergreen, and next in these two options they are contrasting among them. So thus the answer will be between these three, and the answer will be subtropical and tropical. Tea is propagated through leaf bud cutting. It is also another good question. Tea is propagated through leaf bud cutting. bryophyllum is propagated by? So the answer will be whole leaf cutting. The options were stem cutting, simple layering, softwood cutting. So bryophyllum, it is difficult to go for softwood cutting, so or the stem cutting, so the answer will be whole leaf cutting. Next, the question is rapid removal of field heat from the freshly harvested fruits and vegetables is called pre-cooling. By reducing oxygen supply available to the fruit and by increasing the amount of CO2 around the fruit, this kind of method of storage is called the controlled atmospheric storage. It is new kind of storage practice, and in this controlled atmospheric storage, to increase the life expectancy of these fruits, we use reduce the oxygen supply available to the fruit, and we increase the amount of CO2 around the fruit. In which method of propagation the mother plant is cut dose to ground and the new shoots covered with soil at base? And this is simply, it is referring the mound layering. Mound layering, we follow this method of propagation where the mother plant is cut down and to the ground and the new shoots covered with soil at base. Next is, which is the modification of etiolation method? So modified etiolation method would be stooling. Next is, the media used in air layering is sphagnum moss. So for air layering, the media we use is the sphagnum moss, or it is recommended is sphagnum moss. In inarching method of grafting, the grafts can be separated from mother plant in 6 to 8 weeks after grafting. So it is not 2 to 4 weeks after grafting, not 8 to 10 weeks after grafting. They have given that these options to make you confuse. The answer will be 6 to 8 weeks after grafting. Urea fertilizer comes under amide. Example for non-edible oil cake is Mohua oil cake. Non-edible oil cake will be Mohua oil cake. What is the pre-emergence herbicide recommended for tomato for weed control? The answer will be pendimethalin. Pendimethalin is a pre-emergence herbicide and it is recommended for the tomato for weed control. And pendimethalin is widely used. Consumptive use of water is it amount of water used in evaporation or transpiration, evapotranspiration, or amount of water used in evapotranspiration and plant metabolism? So consumptive use of water, it will include, or the components we can say that evapotranspiration means evaporation and transpiration are also along with the plant metabolism. Plant uses water for its metabolic processes. Next, fertilizer material which contains all the three primary nutrients are designated as, in which three will be changes in chemical composition. So this type of fertilizer we referred as complex fertilizers. The salinity hazard chart of quality of irrigation was given by Richards. INM includes organic, inorganic and biofertilizers. Inorganic, or you can say organic, and biofertilizers recommended to go for the sustainable development, sustainable agriculture. So plant nutrients required in large quantities are called macronutrients. Is a structural component of nitrogenase enzyme which actively involves in nitrogen fixation is molybdenum. Molybdenum, it is a structural component of nitrogenase enzyme. We know nitrogen has two components. So molybdenum, which actively involves in nitrogen fixation. Study of soil in relation to plant growth, it is the edaphology. Edaphology, it is a study that deals with the soil in relation to plant growth, which is not a criteria for good market information. For good market information, irrelevance, accuracy, timeliness, and trustworthiness, these are major criteria for good market information. In storage godowns, the quantity of aluminum phosphide 3-gram tablet required for cover fumigation of 1 ton of grain, and so the answer will be 3. The quantity of aluminum phosphide 3-gram tablet required for cover fumigation of 1 ton of grain is 3. The markets, which are all permanent nature and deals with the durable commodities, are known as secular market. So secular market is the where all the permanent nature, they deal with the permanent nature and deals with the durable commodities. A market in which goods are exchanged for money immediately after the sale is controlled. So the answer will be spot market. Spot market, it is what? And the market which goods are exchanged for money immediately after the sale is called the spot market. The type of farming where crop and livestock enterprises are taken up together is known as mixed farming. The risk increases with increased amount of borrowed money in the farm business. It is a financial risk. Financial risk increases with increased amount of borrowed money. The elements audience and response were included. Now this particular, from the extension part, the elements audience and response were included in Liegen's model. This model, this every models, Liegen's model, Barlow model, Aristotle model, Scram's model, these all models are very much important exam point of view. So Liegen's model, the elements are audience and response. Find the odd one related to source of extension communication. So extension agent, research institute, universities, and the odd one will be the radio and television. Credibility, it is related to communicator. How many layers of paddy straw and spawn layers are present in cylindrical mushroom bed? So in the cylindrical mushroom bed, so the layers of paddy straw layers will be 5 and the spawn layers will be 4. pH of casing soil used in milky mushroom cultivation. So the pH will be 8.3. It is suggested or it is recommended. So for casing soil used in milky mushroom cultivation, 8.3 should be the pH. Identify the fungal disease of mushroom. So those are dry bubble and wet bubble. So identify the fungal disease if the mushroom is happening with dry bubbles and wet bubble. If we counteract, so it would be recommended that the mushroom has been diseased with the fungus attack. The seed material for mushroom cultivation need the bed spawn. Which of the chemical is used for the surface sterilization of water tables in the mushroom laboratory? So the chemical we use is ethyl alcohol for the surface sterilization of work table in the mushroom laboratory. So during this corona situation, we also use 70% ethanol, which is the ethyl alcohol or ethanol. So this is widely used as a surface sterilization. So now the next question is, biocontrol efficacy of trichoderma is favored at pH less than 7. So not alkaline, acidic pH. Biocontrol efficacy of the trichoderma, the pH will be less than 7. Antibiotic compound secreted by Pseudomonas fluorescens will be phenazine 1 carboxylic acid. The antibiotic compound secreted by Pseudomonas fluorescens is phenazine 1 carboxylic acid. Dissolution of cell wall of pathogen by the enzymes secreted by biocontrol agents are called as lysis. So lysis, it is a phenomena that the cell wall of the pathogen is dissolved by the enzymes, so secreted by any biocontrol agents. Finest wool is produced by merino breed of sheep. We use sheep to harbor the wool, so finest wool we get from the merino. However, average litter size of sheep breeds of Tamil Nadu is 1. Babcock is a commercial strain of layer poultry. These are very direct question. Babcock, it is a commercial strain of layer poultry. Next question is enterotaxemia can be prevented by vaccination. Enterotaxemia can be prevented by vaccination. Ectoparasite of sheep and goat can be controlled by medicine dipping. In case of sheep and goat, if they are infected with ectoparasite, so those can be controlled by medicine dipping. Which of the following is a exotic goat breed? It is Saanen. Saanen is an exotic goat breed. Feeding of extra concentrate prior to breeding season in sheep and goat causes increased ovulation, bring more animal into uterus, and increased fertilization. That's why extra concentrating feeding is important. Optimum environmental temperature for rearing broiler poultry is 22 30 degree. This is the range within the 22 to 30 degree centigrade. It is the optimum environmental temperature for rearing the broiler poultry. This poultry are cultivated or reared for the meat purpose. Means placing freshly harvested flowers for a relatively short time in a solution to extend their storage and vase life, and it is called the pulsing. The hardening, dehydration, rehydration, this will be not the answer. The correct answer will be pulsing. Pulsing means the freshly harvested flowers are relatively for short time, it is kept in a solution and to extend the storage and the vase life. Which is used as thickening agent in preparation of sauce. So the maize powder, the white color maize powder, it is used as a gelatinizing agent or thickening agent, so in the preparation of sauce or soup. Which chemical is used as pre-harvest spray to enhance the shelf life in mango? It is calcium nitrate. Before harvesting, we spray the calcium nitrate in case of mango. Which chemical is used as a preservative for fruit juices? It is sodium benzoate. Leaf senescence and fall, soil cracks are measured maturity indices for tapioca. So, in case of tapioca, the maturity indices will be those leaves of the tapioca, senescence will fall, and the soil will crack. Marmalade is prepared from orange. Following one is not a viral disease of horticulture crop, and the answer will be brinjal little life. Bhendi yellow mosaic virus, cardamom cattae, cocoa swollen seed shoot, all these are viral disease except brinjal little leaf. So comment down the causal organism of brinjal little leaf. In Vendi, for the management of fruit borer, number of pheromone traps installed per hectare, answer will be 12. Presence of ridges on the stem, yellowing of leaves and wilting of branches in coffee, it is due to white borer. So again the symptoms are given: presence of ridges on the stem and leaves yellowing, and the wilting branches are wilted or the drying up in case of coffee, and the answer will be directly white borer. Withering or shedding of flowers, presence of honeydew in lower leaves and clicking sound while disturbing in mango is due to mango hoppers. This is a key symptom of mango hoppers: withering and shedding of flowers, presence of honeydew in lower leaves and the clicking sound. Next, the fungal pathogen effective against coconut rhinoceros beetle is Metarhizium anisoplea. Which one of the following is not a true rust disease? So the answer is B. Mango red rust is not a true rust disease. So comment down why mango red rust is not considered as a true rust disease. It will be interesting to know those facts. Which of the following is not used in plant disease management? Trichogramma. Trichogramma is not used in the plant disease management. What is the toxicity level for yellow color triangle in the fungicide container? Highly toxic. Who invented Bordeaux mixture? Millardet. Little leaf of brinjal, it is transmitted by leaf hopper. So the question asks, the little leaf is transmitted means leaf hoppers act as a vector to transmit the little leaf of brinjal from diseased or the infected plants to healthy plants in the field. Which of the following disease is managed by using pre-immunized seedlings in citrus? It is a tristeza. Tristeza, it is a viral disease, and this disease is managed by using pre-immunized seedlings in citrus. Commercial variety in curry leaf is DWD1. So DWD1 is a popular commercial variety in curry leaves. Tea belongs to the family of Camelliaceae family. Arabica coffee is grown in the elevation of 1000 to 1500 meter MSL. 1000 to 1005 sea levels. So in coffee arabica, training in single stem system is done in a height of 75 centimeter. Aloin is present in which part of leaf? It is in between the gel and rind. It is also an important question. Aloin, it is present. It is quite different type of question. So aloin is present in which part of the leaf? It is between the gel and the rind. How many month Kalmek seeds are dormant? So 6 month. Kalmek seeds are dormant for 6 month. Bush pepper is produced from plagiotropes. The major alkaloid present in periwinkle is vinblastine, and for cancer treatment, vinblastine has a significant role, and the researchers are going on. So major alkaloid present in periwinkle is vinblastine. Choose best planting material for commercial production of vetiver. So the answer will be slips. Slips is the best planting material for commercial production of vetiver. So in the previous question we discussed about the vinblastine. So name another alkaloid. It is also important alkaloid we get from the periwinkle, and it has also important significance in cancer treatment. So comment down below. What is another alkaloid we get from the periwinkle? Cardamom belongs to the family of Gingiberaceae family. Considered as a storehouse of plant nutrients, organic matter. Organic matter is considered as a storehouse of plant nutrients, and gigantic number of researchers papers are coming, and every time it brings up new content about the organic matter, how much it is important and how much we can get help using the organic matters, and increase our yield side by side, not hampering the soil structure, soil condition, and also the environment. Name the plant which is planted as specimen shrubs in lawn. Thuja orientalis. It is most commonly used as a specimen shrub, so it is a Thuja orientalis in lawn. The standard for cut chrysanthemum stem is 90 cm. The lower portion of the triangle in the container of highly toxic insecticide is in bright yellow color. A marginal farmer has 30 cents land and he want to raise peachy. How many plants he required for planting? So the answer will be 1200. Choose a season of pruning of gundumalli. So the pruning season will be last week of November. These sorts of question actually this type of question actually determine the rank or determine the selection. So you have to read some in the depth, not on the superficially, but you have to read from the depth, because it is very prestigious job. So for the Gundumali season, pruning season will be last week of November. Choose pruning period of Mullai. So the answer will be last week of December. How many days after planting the GA 50 to 100 ppm is sprayed on tuberose? Almost 40, 55 and 60 days. So how many days after planting the GA 50 to 100 ppm is sprayed on tuberose? 40 days, 55 and 60 days. What is the propagation material used in tuberose? It is a bulb. Choose concentration of ZnSO4, FeSO4, zinc sulfate, ferrous sulfate and boric acid to spray on tuberose crop. So zinc sulfate at 0.5%, ferrous sulfate 0.2% and boric acid 0.1%. Mango flowering takes place in Tamil Nadu during the month of December to January. Regular bearing fruit of mango grown in Tamil Nadu, it is the Nilam. So regular bearing and off season variety. So regular bearing means in every season of the mango cultivation, mango growing, they bear fruits. Off season variety, it bear alternate years. Alternate bearing. Spongy tissue is a common problem in variety of Alfonso. Alfonso mango, it is usually exported from India to foreign countries, but this variety suffered from spongy tissue. Bacterial wilt resistant variety in tomato, it is the BT1. Write the chemical used for flower induction in tomato. So in tomato we use 2-chloroethyl phosphonic acid for flower induction. Spacing requirement for tomato variety CO3 is 45-30 centimeter. Which is an important pest of brinjal? Shoot and fruit borer. Degreening is a disorder found in citrus. So disgreening, it is a disorder found in citrus. Choose the processing variety of mango. It is a totapuri. Totapuri processing variety of mango. We use this totapuri, this variety of mango for processing purposes. Botanical name of musk melon is Cucumis melo. Mango hopper can be controlled by spraying wettable sulfur. Pusa Meghdut is a variety in bottle gourd. Yield of dry chili of PKM1 variety, it is 3 ton per hectare. So dry chili of PKM variety is yield 3 ton per hectare. Choose the dwarf rootstock of apple is Malling 9. Choose the budding method in which half thickness of rootstock is removed. It is a chip budding method where half thickness of the rootstock is removed. The arid regions receives rainfall of 0 to 250 mm or 300 to 500, 800 to 1000 mm or 1500 to 2000 mm. So for the 2 and 4 half month in year, so arid regions receive rainfall of 0 to 250 mm. That's why it is named as arid region. Choose example of crops per arid and semi-arid regions. It will be bear, not pineapple or jack or banana. Bear belongs to the arid or semi-arid region. Choose a example for humid zone fruit crop. It is a lychee. Lychee belongs to the humid zone. Sansevieria is propagated through leaf cutting. The major advantage of vegetative propagation is progenies are true to type. So the major advantage of vegetative propagation, the progenies will be true to the type of the parent. In which fruit buds always born adventitiously in old trunk or shoots. So among these fruits, cocoa, these fruit buds always born adventitiously in old trunk or shoots. Banana variety completely ruined out by bunchit of disease in Panani Hills. So Virupakshi, this banana variety Virupakshi completely ruined out by the bunchit of disease in Palani Hills. How you can assume, or you can now realize how much this disease is severe. Choose the crop in which stooling method of propagation is followed. It is apple. Choose the crop in which the tip layering is followed. Blackberry. We use the tip layering. Budding of apical end of current season shoot is termed as tip layering. Sorghum halepensis it is a perennial weed. Sorghum halepens. Rock phosphate comes under containing water soluble phosphoric acid or citric acid soluble phosphoric acid, or phosphoric acid not soluble in water or containing malic acid soluble phosphoric acid. So rock phosphate comes under containing phosphoric acid, that is not soluble in water, so it is insoluble in water. Aluminum phosphide is a fumigant poison and it is effective against rodenticide. It is used as rodenticide. Efficient use of irrigation water in crop production solicits when to irrigate, how much to irrigate, and how to irrigate. So irrigation water, before irrigating the water, we plan the irrigation, the entire program. So efficient use of irrigation water in crop production, that solicits when to irrigate, the stages of irrigated, the critical stages of crop or fruit, of its vegetative stage or the reproductive stage, and how much the amount of water and how to irrigate. Is it basin or check basin or drip irrigation, which irrigation method will be effective in the cultivation of that crop. So these things are solicited in the irrigation water use of irrigation water, and this will determine the efficacy of the irrigation water. What is the total depth of irrigation water required if a crop having 100 days duration, irrigation at 10 days interval with 8 cm depth? So the total depth of irrigation water required will be 80 cm. The compost made from mite soil, street sweepings, dustbin, refuse is called as a town compost. Among these four, the compost made from the mite soil, street sweepings, and dustbin refuse, it is a town compost. Vermicompost, when we use earthworms for production purpose, and rural compost, that the residues we get from the rural villages, the cow dungs and all these things. And farm compost, it is also the poultry manure, all these stuffs, and also the residues of the crop, previous season crops. So from this we damp on this, on all those things, and thus we prepare the farm compost. So and for the mite soil strips, sweepings and dustbin, we prepare the town compost. What is the quantity of commercial fertilizer required in the form of urea? The recommended dose of nitrogen is 120 kg per hectare. If the recommended dose of nitrogen is 120 per hectare, then how much the quantity of commercial fertilizer required in the form of urea? The answer will be 260 kg per hectare. So these are all the questions, the solved question of the Tamil Nadu PSC Assistant Horticulture Officer exam. I hope guys this video will be helpful, and I believe this video will be helpful during your preparation. And also you can join the agriculture GK on the agriculture GK is available in different social media platforms like on Instagram, and you can also join on Telegram through this link. And if you like this video, like it, share it, subscribe it, and stay tuned to get further updates. So agriculture GK is a huge platform, and you will satisfied with this channel. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.